Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are absolutely well. So I guess you already find out from the thumbnail that what this video is going to be. Okay guys, this is the second part of my case study video. If you haven't seen the first one, then go to the case study playlist and check out the video. As we choose our affiliate product in the first video, now it's time to promote it with another traffic source. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then subscribe it now and join my Facebook group Premium Share to get daily new updates. First of all, go to Blogger and create a new blog. You can give any name and URL. It's not recommended to use any niche type of related title and URL in this blog. We are going to set up a third-party domain in this blog. For this, we are going to use Freenom site, because from the Freenom site we will get free domain. Now here you can choose a niche related domain name. Okay, if you have already a domain, then you can skip the domain registration part. Now as we got a free domain here, now it's time to link this domain with our blog. If you are new, then check this part very carefully, how to link your domain with your blog. Okay, we are done now. It will take up to 24 hours. Till then, we are now going to create a niche related informative Pinterest profile. Give some details in bio and what this profile is about. Also add a profile image that shows your audience what your profile is about. Now from setting, go to claim and give here your domain name that you linked earlier with your blog. You can see the domain is linked with the blog, and now we will add this to our Pinterest. After click on claim, choose HTML text, copy the text and go to Blogger theme setting, and under the head section paste that HTML code you copied from Pinterest. Now it will take up to 24 hours to active. Okay, we are back now and see our domain is connected with Pinterest. Now again, here is a crucial part. Follow this carefully. Go to my YouTube channel and you will find out a video where I have shown you that how to connect your affiliate link with Blogger. So now we are going to use the same method to connect our blog with our affiliate link. Now whenever someone go to our website, this will be auto redirect to our affiliate offer. Okay, now jump to the traffic generation part. In Pinterest, search your top competitors. Now follow their boards. Then upload pin to your Pinterest board. If you want to use others images, then download all profile images with this Google Chrome extension. After download all photos in one click, now create your pin like this. You can give also a link here. You have to create minimum 10 pins a day and first make 5 boards. Then you have to put others images in these 4 boards, and one board you have to post your promotional activities, your promotional pins. Okay, so this is how your profile will look professional for work. Then again search for the top competitors and follow their followers. Follow 20 people every hour and maximum 200 people a day. Then every week, a specific day, remove the people who don't follow you back. Go to top pins and go to your niche related top pins and do comment there. This is how you can increase your Pinterest traffic. Now if you want to do the task automatically, then go to the site called Pinterest and sign up for a free account. And this site will give you automation features like auto follow, auto schedule, auto unfollow, and many more. You can purchase their popular subscription for long-term work. If you like this video, then don't forget to comment below. If you want more case study video like this, then share and subscribe to support this channel. Thank you.